Hello friends, in this video we are going to explore another application of Google, that is Google Slides. As we prepare our presentation routinely in Microsoft PowerPoint, likewise we can prepare our presentation by using this Google application, which is nothing but Google Slides. There are a few more options which is not present in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start to prepare our PowerPoint presentation by using Google Slides. So to start with, other it is an Google application. So again, you have to log in to your Gmail account. Once you logged in, then go to or click on these 9 dots, which is nothing but Google application or Google Apps. After clicking on these 9 dots, you have to click on Drive option, and this is the home page or the interface of your Google Drive. This much task we have done many times, so you very well understand the steps how to enter in your Google Drive. Once you enter in your Google Drive, just click on this new button. After clicking on this new button, we have explored this option in previous video, that is Google Docs. Now you have to click on Google Slides. After clicking on Google Slide, this is untitled presentation. You have to make your own presentation. This is the layout of Google Slide. The first thing, again, like that of Google document, you have to give a title or name to your presentation. And in this interface, see, there are some beautiful things which are not available in Microsoft Word. In Microsoft PowerPoint, there are some professional themes are available. So you can take any of the theme from this page. So just now I have write demo presentation here. So you can write your name or any sort of words which you want to write for your presentation. So now we will select one theme as a background. So there are different themes, you can explore it, and which theme whatever theme you like, you can select it. For example, I am taking this as my PowerPoint background. So I'll click on this, and such type of page will appear. Now you have to add contents. Remaining things is as it is as that of Microsoft PowerPoint. The new task that we have already explored in Google Docs, that is nothing but you have to go into tool option, and in tool there is explore. If you explore, that means a new window will appear, which is nothing but your Google search engine. So you add some keywords here. For example, I have added cell structure, and there is information which is available in Google. So what you did in next part, you have to select this much area and drag it from this window into your current window. So that much part will appear in your PowerPoint presentation. Remaining tabs are similar, like that of file, edit, new, insert, and remaining as that of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, if in the same slide or if in the same presentation, if you want to add image, then you go to image option. From where we have incorporated this, we have clicked on tools option. From tools, we will get explore, and in explore, you have to add your keywords and you have to search about that particular thing. If I have added again like that of previous part, that is fruit, and I am taking any of the fruit image from this area, and you can drag it here. Fine. Now, if finally your PowerPoint presentation is ready, again, if you want to share it with your collaborators or your colleague, you can share it from this. Or if you want to download it for your future use, then again you enter into the file option, and there you can download as. Here also there are different options or different file formats in which you can download this PowerPoint presentation. Basically, it is Microsoft PowerPoint, or directly from this point itself, you can make this presentation in PDF format. So for demo purpose, I am converting this Google slide into our PDF format file or PDF document. See, this demo PPT file is generated. If you click on this file, this is your Google slide, but in which format? It is in PDF format. So this file you can save on your laptop or desktop, and in future you can use it in offline mode. At that time there will be no need of any sort of internet. But where is your previous file, actual file, which is Google slide? It is stored in your Google Drive. Again, so these are the few simple steps how you can create a presentation in your Google slide. So you have to prepare one demo presentation as a part of your assignment. Thank you.